Hello, and welcome to our training on how to create containers in ActiveInspire using the Flipchart software. I'm going to demo exactly what we can do when you create a container. As you can see on this page, we have reflection and refraction. You created two boxes. What the students do is they come up and they drag one of these descriptor words, and if it's wrong, it snaps back. But if it's correct,
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
you can see they get a little bit of a sound. It's a treat. They can get up and dance. It's a lot of fun. The kids really like it. So we're going to show you how to make one of these container pages today. I've got a blank screen here. We're going to start from scratch. First thing you need to do is actually make the container. So I'll just make two boxes. They're just really plain boxes, nothing special about them yet. And what I'll do is I'll give them a title. Let's say we're comparing the Earth and the Moon. Next thing I need to do is create some descriptors. I'll just do one for our example. Let's say it has life. So in short, what I want to do is I want this descriptor to go into this box, and when it does, for music to play. If the child puts it in this box, I want it to snap back. So that's what we're going to show you how to do. First thing you do is you select the box. Now notice over here I've got my property browser open. And there's lots of tabs here on the top. The one that we're looking for here is the property browser. And you have lots of options, things you can do, but the one I'm focusing on here is container. Right here it says can contain nothing. Obviously I need to change that. I'm going to change it to keywords. And here I have an option. I click these little dots. I need to make a keyword up. So I'm going to click add. Let's just call this keyword Earth. Nice and easy. If I keep going down my list, I see this one says reward sound. Right now it says false. I want that to be true. Then I just need to find the sound that I want to play. On your desktop I uploaded some sounds, so just go ahead and click on those. Let's play some Justin Bieber. And that's it. So right now what we did is we had this box contain anything that has the keyword Earth, and if it does, then we're going to hear the Justin Bieber song. The next thing we need to do is we need to tell this text to go into that box. So in order to do that, we need to give it an identification. Here under identification you see there's keywords. We're going to add the keyword Earth to this text. And the other thing we're going to do under containers, this is for the text, where it says return if not contained, we want that to be true. So basically what that does is if the student puts it in the moon box, it will snap back. Let's go ahead and save our work and let's test it. So if we put it here, it snaps back, and if we put it here, and there we are. We're all done. Because I saved my work first, I can hit refresh and it doesn't affect anything that I've done. If I want to continue on and make my moon box a container, I'm going to follow the same steps. So I'm going to select the box. I'm going to go to containers. I'm going to select keywords. I need to add a keyword for this box, so let's make this container keyword moon. For the reward sound, I want that to be true, and I'm going to select, let's do some Dora the Explorer. So now I've made this box a container for anything that I make the keyword of moon. So I'm going to type a descriptor of the moon. Let's just say little gravity. I'm going to select that text, and under identification I need to give it the keyword moon. And then I also want to get back to the container section and return if not contained. I want that to be true, so it'll snap back if it's put in the wrong spot. I always save before testing, and if we see, that's good. Alright, it worked. I hope you enjoyed this training, and I encourage you to play around with this feature in ActiveInspire because the kids really do enjoy it and they get a lot of engagement out of it. Thank you.